car on the way to Pagoda.
Liz is going to put a subtitle here for what that was.
We think it's some sort of temple, but not too sure. But this is our first day in Vietnam. Exciting.
Alrighty everyone, that's it, I've gone to the dark side. I don't want to be vegetarian anymore. I've got my chicken wing. I don't actually know what that is. Chicken skewer. And yeah. Just kidding, it's all vegan, I hope. Maybe.
How much money are you taking out?
$2 million. Don't.
Bullet. Off she goes.
Navigating with Olivia in the rain. Oh no!
Okay, hi everybody. So we've got back to our hostel now. Don't know the last thing that you saw. Is this having dinner maybe?
Yeah, we were in the cafe. Anyways, so we got back and the dorm is getting weird. So it is a female dorm, so we don't have any of the boy weirdness to deal with. But
The girls are bad enough.
I know, clearly. So the girl above me in my bunk bed has been speaking in like Chinese or something for over 2 hours. We went in at like 7:30.
Constantly, by the way. Only if she stops.
I'm starting to recognise bitch, you know. She's doing the same.
Yeah, she's rehearsing something. Don't know what it is. But she's just talking to herself. Only stops to burp. You know. I'd be like, oh god.
She's really giving me a headache now because she just doesn't stop.
I'm gonna tell her to shut up because I want to go to bed.
And who rehearses for 2 hours? Like if I have something at uni, I practice it like twice max.
Yeah.
And then
but
that's
you do it in your head. You don't do it out loud.
Or like in private.
Yeah.
I used to ask Lee to like leave the room when I had to practice something because it was too awkward. She just doesn't care. Like I walked in and she was just like saying it to me. I was like, hello. Anyways, so that's her. Then we've had a girl that was on the toilet and she left
the door wide open.
I didn't think it was closed. And then she opened it, but then she was still in there. So then I was like, oh yeah, Lizzie can get her. Like she was just be brushing her teeth or something. And
I didn't know that she was in there. Because I had my headphones in. I was like,
so why did you turn around? She said you didn't see what she was doing in there.
Because she closed the door. She was like, no. And she like closed the door again. And I was like,
no, I reckon she wasn't on the toilet then because how did she close it that quickly?
well, there was a bit of a pause. She was saying no. And I was like, okay, and as I was leaving, she then closed it.
Oh god.
So
it's been eventful. What about the other girl?
Hang on, there was one more.
Oh,
yeah.
the other girl.
Yeah, she was slapping her face.
No, that's how she puts her moisturiser on. She's like, we were just looking around like, oh my god. And also she had some bites on her neck. And I was just like watching The Crown or something, and she just comes over to me and she just goes, photo, and I was like, oh god, here we go. And then the person wants a photo with me. But no, she wanted a photo. She wanted me to take a photo of her neck so she could see the bites. But that wasn't explained at all. I just sort of held the phone and was like, so yeah. Anyways, that happened. The dorm is weird, but we are here anyways. We are going to go to sleep. Well, Lizzie's going to go to sleep. I'm going to stay on my phone for too long.
The
tomorrow.
Looking great. Look at that. Let's go.